Hi folks, if pathway lighting is a concern where you live, if security issues around lighting is a concern where you live, if people at your place of residence have mobility issues, then you need landscape lighting. And that's what myself and my sidekick, my safety advisor, DeWalt, and I are going to share with you in this video. This is an unboxing video, and join us folks right now. Landscape Lights by Gardenreet, folks, a company all the way from Hollywood, California, sent this along to us to do an unboxing, a product review, and an installation video. This rather large package, folks, contains 6 pathway lights, and you can see what they look like in a sample right there on the package. And as I said, myself and DeWalt, we're going to unbox this package. I am using my my DeWalt box opener right there, box cutter. So I'll get that ready. I have my safety glasses there at the ready as well. So I'm going to get ready and unbox this package. Okay, folks. So I'm going to take off my prescription glasses and lay them there on the table. I'm going to put on my safety glasses, and I have my box cutter, my DeWalt box cutter here all ready to go. And Mr. DeWalt is here next to me as well, folks. So let's open the box using this box cutter, being very, very careful. Cut away from ourselves, Mr. Garry. That's very important. Okay, there's also a package slip right here. So let me see if I can remove the packaging slip. Okay, there's the packaging slip. All right, now, let me see if I can bring you in closer, folks, and we can have a look at what's in this cardboard box together. Okay, so it's got some paper there, some cardboard, so let me remove the packaging from this large box. And inside, okay, so we got a large bag right there. And down here in the box are those lights. Let me fish those out. Okay, so there's 2. There's another one. Landscape lights. These are by a company called Gardenreet. From Hollywood, California, folks. That's where this box came from, all the way from Hollywood. So we're going to take these lights out, and we're going to open up one package, and I'll share that with you in this unboxing video. Now, let's put that rather large box down on the floor there. Put the paper in there as well. Get rid of that. I'm going to open up that white package there as well. And as I said, I'm going to open up one of these packages. Here we are. Okay, there are 6 packages there. The box said 10 lights, but it looks like it might be just 6. So we'll see once we do the full unboxing here today. Okay. We are going to open up this package to see what's inside this large white package right here. Not sure what's in there. Probably some parts and wires and that kind of good stuff. So let's see what we have. Okay, so we do have the low voltage landscape wire that we're going to need to run the lights, and there's 100 feet of that there. And as I said earlier, we are going to open up one of these packages to see exactly what these lights look like. So bear with me, folks, as I open up one of these landscape lights by Gardenreet. Okay, now, here we go. I'm going to have to move you aside, Mr. DeWalt. Let me put you there somewhere. Hopefully you can still see what's going on. Okay, here's the package. In the box, folks, it comes with the lens cover that goes on the top of the landscape light. You can see right there. That's in the package. These are tall lights that you put on your lawn or next to your step or your pathway for lighting. And so here's the post. So we'll be using those. Okay. There's the connection wire, some barrettes. Okay, so we have everything that we need to set up these lights. We open up this package to see what this one contains. Okay, this one contains a heavy-duty peg that you just, or stake, that you just poke down into the ground, and this connects onto it right there. Hopefully you can see that. So that's one package. I'll zoom in closer now so I can share the contents with you closer using my camera. Go through the contents of one package of Pathway landscape lights with you. Again, there's the large stake or peg that you got to push down into the ground. There's the post that goes into the stake, and the other end goes into the shade right here. Now there's also a lens, and let me see if I can find you the lens. Here's the lens. Let me see if I can open the package. Now I need two hands for this. So that's what the lens looks like. Okay, the lens goes in here, and that's underneath the shade, but it also goes in the top part of this long post that goes into the stake. So that's what one of these landscape lights looks like. There's 6 here, and that's the wire there, the low voltage, 100 feet of low voltage lights. Lots of barrettes. There's a package here, plus a little package came. A little package came with the kit. So there should be lots and lots of these landscape lights and the barrettes for putting all of this together, folks. So this is the unboxing video of the landscape lights, Pathway lights by Gardenreet. All the way from Hollywood, California. We will be doing a second video where we will be doing a product review and an assembly or installation of these lights here at GBL, the Old Church 5-acre homestead. We will be putting these landscape lights all up and on our property. So that'll be a great thing to look forward to. Part 2 of this video coming very, very soon. Okay, so landscape lights by Gardenreet, folks, a company all the way from Hollywood, California, sent this along to us to do an unboxing, a product review, and an installation video. And we'll be doing part 2 very, very soon, folks. But right now, I want to say thank you for joining me in this unboxing of these lights. We thank you very, very much. Please stay tuned for part 2 coming very, very soon on our channel. You have a great, great day. We'll see you very, very soon. Mr. Garry and DeWalt signing out.